Whenever anyone begins to undertake an educational program, naturally, their expectations going in are, what am I going to learn? This shouldn't be the case. Rather, you should be asking, what am I going to be able to do better once I've learned this information? Or else, why would you be trying to learn more? Surely it would be to improve your outcomes. When you undertake a training program with the expectation of being able to improve your performance, you instinctively bypass the brain's tendency to rush through the information in a rote and linear manner in order to get to the end of the course and get your certificate, so to speak. By having a clear picture of what you'll be able to do better by the end of the course right from the start, you set your brain to be laser focused on improving your performance rather than accumulating another mass of theory. This technique of learning is known as beginning with the end in mind, and that's what understanding trading by design is all about. As you go through these courses, you'll be presented with a 5-step breakdown of what all good traders have in common in the execution of their trades. Regardless of what kind of technical analysis tools a trader uses, they invariably follow these steps in order to perform in a consistently profitable manner. Beginning with the foundation course, which will outline the terminology and principles you must be able to intuitively understand before you could become consistently profitable. You will then go on to the elite course, which will give you the wisdom on how to apply these principles in your own trading and according to your own style. The progression of the 5 steps occur in the same manner in which you would execute your trades. Beginning with step 1, what makes you bullish or bearish? Step 2, how do you qualify that bias? Step 3, what do you use to pull the trigger? Step 4, how do you manage your risk with stop orders and targets? And step 5, psychological tools to keep you performing at your best. Each step begins with a goal to be achieved before you start, and your aim is to go through any or all of the videos in that step to help you accomplish that goal. The course videos are not laid out in a linear manner. Rather, they're laid out according to the principles stated before you begin, and then you're expected to go through the information relevant to that topic. When you know where you're going before you begin your journey, you're far more likely to reach your destination. We want you to think of each step in a manner similar to a mind map bubble, a central principle in which related ideas revolve around. This is the way the brain truly learns. By translating concepts into a language the individual can make their own. For example, if you begin your Step 1 course wanting to know how to set a fundamentally sound bullish or bearish bias, you're presented with various videos covering the topic of setting your bias. Take what makes sense to you and what you feel you could use and apply to your own trading, and leave the rest. We don't want you to gain a certificate for watching every single video. We want you to have a 5-step trading plan that you could use immediately to improve your trading results, period.